So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a new Gmail account on Android. It is actually pretty easy. So yeah, we're going to start right now. So what you want to do is you want to literally search in Google how to create a Gmail account. And once you've done that, you will see all these websites, and you probably just have to click on the first one for you as well, because for me it is. So yeah, once you're here, click on create an account, and then yeah, just fill in your first name. I'm going to do some random stuff real quick, so just like this and then this. And yeah, you just have to fill in an actual name, of course, and then for the username, that is your email address. So I'm going to do some random stuff as well, but yeah, of course you have to do something serious, as I said. Yeah, once you've filled in these three parts, just go to password, and once you filled in those three parts, you just want to go to password and create a password and confirm the password, and then yeah, just click on next. And once you've done all that, you will end up on this page right here, and this will ask for your phone number and a recovery email address. And as you can see, they're both optional, so you don't have to do that. But especially the recovery email address, I do recommend doing that, because when you lose your password or something, you can easily get it back via that recovery email address, and I think via the phone number as well, but I'm not sure about that. So I highly recommend doing the recovery email address, but that is all up to you. So now you have to fill in the date of birth, so I'm just going to fill in something random as well, and yeah, just like that. And then select your gender. I'm going to do male, and then click on next. And once you're here, yeah, this is the privacy and policy. You can just read it if you want to, but I don't think anyone will read it. And then you have to agree with the Google terms of service and this one right here, and then click on create an account. And just to confirm, and yes, click on confirm. As you can see, we have now created our email address, and that's basically it. So now you can log into Gmail or any other platform, YouTube, everything, and it will immediately just work how it should work. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.